And we're live, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the frickin' subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the bell button for notifications. I know it's a lot of work, but if you subscribe to this channel, you get some quality content and you get to learn how to actually invest without being a ridiculous clown. Now, just to show you how stupid people on WallStreetBets are, I'm going to share my screen, which I'm doing right now. And we're going to go look at WallStreetBets. So I'm going to go down all the lists of everything they're talking about on Reddit. And then I'm going to go look up the stocks they're talking about on Robinhood. And I'm going to show you what great investments these guys are trying to pump. Okay? So let's go ahead and dive right into it. And let's check out and see what they're doing on Reddit. Anti-hate communities. I think that's like I think it's a spoof. Anyway, so we're on WallStreetBets. Obviously, we have a very young blonde man who, made $1 trillion off of GameStop calls, and now he has a yacht with a massive WallStreetBets sign. This will be you. This right here will be you if you invest with WallStreetBets because they know everything about everything, and they're sticking it to the man. And the last thing you want to get, if you do become wealthy, is to buy a yacht and just blow all your money on it. That's a great way to spend your wealth, ladies and gentlemen. This right here, this wallpaper already shows that these people they're not in it to, build long-term wealth. They're trying to get rich quick so they can buy a freaking yacht and be morons. But let's look. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what stunks these clowns are buying. Got a little cute video here, because they make funny videos. So obviously, because their videos are funny, you should listen to what they have to say. It's all a big joke, First time buying options. We got a little boy with a frog. It's a frog. Oh my God. All right, that's pretty funny. Well, like I said, funny video, so you should listen to what they're saying. Let's go down. Advertisement, don't care. Just your usual Wall Street bet degenerate gambler. All right, so we have some children watching the TV, and then we have some typical Wall Street bet moron dancing. I don't know what he's doing. YOLO, candlesticks, yep. So you can see the candlesticks there. That's the freaking, when you're trading stocks, you worry about candlesticks. Green, I guess it means it goes up, and red, I guess it means it goes down. So here's a Wall Street bet guy gambling. Oh, green candlestick. He doesn't know why the stock went up, but it did. Great way to invest. All right, more videos. See, they do all these freaking videos. It's just so corny. I get it. It's funny. To the guy who decided to short the country of South Africa, whatever. I want to see some stocks. Here we go. Just YOLO 38K into MNMD, Mind Medicine. What is this? Let's see. This clown threw $38,000 into one stock. Oh, it's almost a penny stock. That's like $4.06, 60 cents. So let's see. MNMD. Jesus. All right, this is my portfolio, by the way. I don't really screw around with individual stocks, but you know what? I have almost $4,000 in Alibaba and Baidu, but that doesn't mean that you should buy those stocks, okay? And look, I was actually down today. I was down 1.25%. And if your stock goes down at all, that means you're an idiot, right? Anyway, but I don't recommend individual stocks, but if you want to screw around like I'm doing here, you can buy individual stocks. But this is a very small part of my portfolio, so don't call me a hypocrite. All right, so let's look at Mind Medicine. This is what WallStreetBets is YOLOing into. This clown put what? 38K. Let's see. All right, there's a common theme on WallStreetBets that most stocks that they invest in don't have price to earnings ratios, which means they're not profitable. So I'm going to hazard a guess that 9 out of the 10 stocks that we're going to look at are not even going to be profitable because that's the company that you want to invest in. It's a company that doesn't even freaking profit. So let's look. What does Mind Medicine do? It operates a neuropharmaceutical company that develops and deploys psychedelic medicines. Okay. This is like probably a meme stock because it says psychedelic. They probably make like mushrooms or something, but whatever. Let's see. Market cap. So market cap is the total value of all. It's the total number of shares times the total value per share. So your market cap determines basically how big the company is. Now you look at this company, it has a market cap of 3 million. That is nothing. That is extremely tiny. So if you were to pump this stock, if you had a small YouTube channel or you pump this on WallStreetBets, this is the perfect stock to pump because you can actually get enough people to buy the stock after you do to actually inflate the price and then sell it at a profit. So I can see they're already targeting really small market cap stocks. And like I just said, I didn't even look when I started talking about price to earnings ratios. But look, PE ratio, nothing. That means the company's not profitable, okay? Now, the company came out in 2019, so there's been a big explosion of people buying IPOs, which are initial public offerings, which are a terrible idea. But, this company's been out at least for, you gonna load? Oh, I guess it did just IPO. Holy crap. Yeah, this company's only been around for a month? Of course. So another common theme is you're going to see Wall Street Bets people buying a bunch of IPOs because IPOs tend to be highly volatile and initial investors usually get screwed over, the people that buy in right when it goes public. But of course, that's typical Wall Street Bets. So investment number one, great investment, Mind Medicine from Wall Street Bets. Very small market cap, not profitable. Invest in psychedelic medicines. That's just what you need to throw 38,000 of your precious dollars into. Great. All right, so I'm done with that crap. Let's see what else they're pumping. COVID vaccine. All right, here we go. Here's another YOLO. So we have a 48K Clav YOLO. I made the adult decision to stop pretending. I'm good at trading and join my fellow retards. Now, they call each other fellow retards, and it's all a big joke. Ha, 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 ha. But when you get swept up into this crap and you're throwing massive YOLOs into stupid IPO meme stocks with no profitability, you're going to lose your butt, okay? I don't want to curse so this gets monetized one day. But look at this. This guy threw in what? $48,000 into Clav. So let's see what this stock is. Let's see what amazing, delicious stock this is. Clover Health Investments. Now, I wonder if this has a price to earnings ratio, which means it's not profitable or it is profitable. Now, this company, first, let's see if it IPO'd recently. Oh, look at that. Seems like a pretty new company. You can see when it started trading. It looks like it was listed on, so it started trading June 12th, 2020. So it's a pretty recent stock. Now, we go down. This provides healthcare insurance services. Blah, 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 blah. That's great. Healthcare can be profitable. But oh, wait, look. There's no PE ratio. Imagine that. Wall Street Bets is investing in a company that's not profitable. Wow, I cannot believe they would do something like that. My mind is blown. This is what you want to put $48,000 into a company that recently IPO'd that's not even profitable. That's where you need to invest your life savings, okay? Bunch of idiots. So this was the last earnings report. So for every share, it looks like they had a net loss of probably like 19 cents per share, which multiply that by the number of shares, that was their total loss. Now, this is a much bigger market cap. This has 1.47 billion. So it's going to be harder for Wall Street Bets to kind of influence the price of this. But I mean, who knows? If people talk about it enough, I mean, you can maybe do a small movement in the stock. Cool. So stock number 2, also recently IPO'd, and it has no price to earnings ratio. So it's not even profitable. Morons. Now let's move on. Nokia. All right. Well, I mean, I think Nokia might actually be a profitable company. They're actually a profitable company on Wall Street Bets. I can't believe this. All right. So Nokia, it's almost a penny stock. Did it recently? No, it's been trading for a while. Man, look at those gains. Nokia. I think it's like a Finnish company or something like that. Yeah, it's from Finland. Founded in 1865. Oh, but wait. Is there a price to earnings ratio? No, the company's not freaking profitable. Let's see their most recent earning reports. All right, so, that's weird. It's saying it is profitable because it earned 8 cents per share. I guess they just had a earnings release pretty recently, but I don't know why there's no price to earnings ratio. Wouldn't that be funny if all these companies did have PE ratios, but Robinhood just wasn't loading it up? Yeah, so whatever. I mean, I haven't done a lot of research into Nokia. At least it's been around for a long time. And, there might be a bull case for it, whatever. But I don't really know. And I don't recommend you invest anything that Wall Street Bets is pumping, unless it's VT. All right, moving on. Nokia, whatever. GME. Okay, let's see what's going on with GameStop. I haven't been tracking GameStop. The story got really freaking old really freaking quickly. Well, let me see if my tutor session is coming up. Nope, not yet. GameStop, 106.76 per share. Look at all these wild fluctuations. You know, the stock was down to what, 18, 19, and then you had the massive run up in the beginning of 2021 to 347, all based on idiot power. And then now the stock, I guess, looks like it's stabilized a little bit more. Let's look at GameStop. We all know what GameStop is. Oh, no price to earnings ratio. What a shock. Let's see, the most recent earnings report. Yeah, that's really, I don't know why. Maybe it's like the trailing 12 months because, you know, they had one profitable quarter, it looks like, in Q4. But then you go back a couple months and it's just showing a bunch of losses. So maybe they're just averaging that out. And if that average goes below 0, that's why they don't have a price to earnings ratio. But I mean, this company's a dinosaur. It's a meme. It's a joke. You don't want to put your money in this crap. It's stupid. Just put your money into broadly diversified index fund. I mean, look at the analyst ratings. Like you don't have to trust analysts 100%, but holy crap. Most analysts are pretty optimistic, but when you see 33% hold and 66% sell, that's usually a sign that it's a extremely risky investment. You don't have to go off the analyst necessarily, but come on, GameStop, it's all a freaking meme and a joke. Now, I'm just surprised it's still going on. I hope it crashes to 0, but it may take a while to do that. You got to be patient. All right. Here's this idiot. Life savings and more. All into GameStop. 800 calls. Oh, God. So he bought an $800 call means he has the right, but not the obligation, to buy each share of GameStop, 100 shares of GameStop for $800. So this idiot thinks that GameStop is going to go over $800 per share when it's barely profitable and it's a piece of crap. So this guy's an idiot, but that's shocking, Wall Street Bets. All right, blah, 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 blah. See how much this idiot lost. Oh, I lost 20%. I'm so funny. Moron. All right, more Nokia. Nokia, whatever. At least it's not a horrible meme stock. GameStop, let's see. What did this idiot do? Total return, 98% negative, down 98%. What a freaking idiot, okay? You could have built so much wealth by putting this money into a broadly diversified index fund inside your IRA or maybe even your 401k. But instead, because it's such a meme and it's so funny, this idiot put all his money into GameStop and he lost $16,000. But it's funny. Oh, it's just your life's work. Oh, it's so funny. All right, more memes. How will apes be? I guess that's another thing. They call each other apes. Whatever. Nokia. Man, Nokia is really big on here today. All right, what is this? UWMC. Let's see what this is. UWMC. Let's guess, guys. Is this going to have a price to earnings ratio? Let's see. Is it oh, it's also a recent IPO. Wow. Can you imagine that? Well, relatively recently. I guess it IPO'd in March 16th, 2020. Wow. Wall Street Bets Morons investing in new and unproven companies. Let's see. Market cap, 13 billion. Price to earnings ratio, non-existent. Oh, it's got a dividend. Wow. They're so tax efficient. Let's see. All right. So, I mean, it shows they did have, what is wrong with this price to earnings ratio? I don't know if they have to wait for 12 months or what, but yeah, because it's showing a profit. It's showing a positive earnings per share or something. I guess the company is profitable, but it's still, in my opinion, way too unproven. I mean, you know, it just got listed on the exchange. It's been around since 1986, but I would never invest my money into a new stock because you can invest your money into stocks that are profitable, or you at least wait till you see till they are profitable, and then you invest in the stock. You don't want to invest in a stock that's horribly unprofitable and unproven. Yeah, you can make money off that if you are somehow proven right. But when I buy and own a company, I want to at least know the company can actually make money. And you can wait till it's consistently profitable, maybe over 4 or 5, 6 quarters, then buy the stock And then you'll probably still make a lot of money in the long run because you're going to own that company for 30, 40, 50, or 60 years. So whatever. All right, let's go on. More Clav. Facebook. Wow, that's a high risk bet right there. Alfrea and Tilray. Isn't Tilray like a weed company? Oh, let's see. What's Tilray doing today? I don't really care about short-term fluctuations. Oh, recent IPO. Well, not too recent. What, 2-3 years ago? It engages in research, cultivation, production, and distribution of medical cannabis, bro. Weed stocks. All right, no price to earnings ratio. Let's see the most recent. All right, yeah, so this company is consistently losing money. So the dark dots are what they actually earned, and the light dots are what they thought, the analysts thought the stock was going to earn per share. So yeah, this company's unprofitable. Now, I don't get hyper concentrated in weed stocks, okay? And there's going to be a lot of competition in this space. So just putting all your money in this stupidity is not a good idea. But yeah, this idiot made money. Wow, he made what, 2 cents? Wow, okay. Okay, AMD, whatever. I want to find one more stupid stock these people are buying. Neo, old news. Scalping snap puts. There you go. There you go, guys. Just day trade. That's all you got to do. I don't know what scalping is necessarily. I'm not an options trader, okay? I know the basics of options. I don't want to waste my time doing stupid crap like that. Because when you day trade, you pay massive taxes and you pay a lot of transaction fees because there's spreads. So it's stupid in my opinion, but whatever. Instead of owning every company in the world, you just scalp Clav or whatever it is. Scalp Snapchat. Come on, one more meme stock. One more meme stock. BB, is that BlackBerry? Tesla, here we go. Tesla, my favorite company. MindMed. All right, here's probably the last one I'll look. Wait, no, we already looked at that one. Huron Therapeutics. Here we go. HRTX. Let's see. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed and you're watching, subscribe to my freaking channel, okay? I love to dump on Wall Street Bets and other morons. Now, Huron Therapeutics. Let me guess, is it like psychedelic weed smoking therapy? Biotech. Okay, biotechs are very volatile, which engages in the development of pharmaceutical products for patients suffering from cancer. Very noble, but that doesn't mean you should invest in it. All right. Oh, no price to earnings ratio. What a shock. 100% buy. Wow. Man, it's got 8 ratings from analysts. Maybe there's something to it. I don't know. But I mean, looking at the earnings, like I said before, the dark dots represent earnings per share. And if you look, it's been consistently unprofitable. So the dot would need to be above this line right here, the 00, to actually turn a profit. So if I'm seeing a company that has no profits, I don't care. I don't care if it could potentially be huge. I'm not owning a company that hasn't turned a profit, especially over the last 6 quarters, okay? It's just a freaking meme play. That's what these idiots are doing. So that's the last stock I'm going to look at now because I have to tutor very shortly, but I'll see if I have any questions, and then I'm going to cut this. Let's see. Oh, 5 viewers. Wow. I'm getting big. All right, guys. If you don't have any questions, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the like button. Please helps me boost my ratings on YouTube. One day I'm going to be big, and then I'm going to have all of Wall Street Bets watch me and seethe and be angry when I crap on their stupid investing advice. All right, you guys have a wonderful day.